Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Checkbox. This is Bhai here. Today we are going to look after the specification of Realme 5 Pro. Before getting into the video, if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification icon for latest updates. Okay guys, let's see the specifications of the phone. We can start with the body of the phone. The phone weighs around 184 grams. The build quality of the phone is it has a front glass and a plastic body. The phone also has a dual SIM, which the two SIMs are nano SIMs, and which also has a dual standby. The phone is also a splash resistant. Okay guys, let's see with the display features. The display comes with the IPS LCD capacitive touch screen. The size of the screen is 6.3 inch. The resolution of the screen is 1080p, and the screen is also protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Coming to the platform, the phone runs with an Android 9.0 Pie, which is planned to upgradable up to Android 10 and also the Color OS 6. The chipset of the phone is a Qualcomm SDM712 and also has a Snapdragon of 712. The CPU of the phone is octa-core. And it has a GPU of Adreno 616. The memory of the phone, okay, it has a micro SD card slot which is expandable up to 256 GB. The phone also has a 3 variant with the internal storage of 64 GB and 4 GB of RAM is in one variant, and 64 GB of internal storage and 66 GB of RAM is another variant, and the third one is the internal storage of 128 and 8 GB of RAM. Okay, coming to the camera, the phone has a triple camera setup, which the main camera has a 48 megapixel wide camera. The second one has an 8 megapixel with ultra wide. The third one has a 2 megapixel with a dedicated macro camera, and the other one has a 2 megapixel with depth sensor. The camera has the features of HDR recording and panorama, and the main camera gives you a video recording of various resolutions. Okay, then to the selfie camera, it has a single camera which is a 16 megapixel camera. The features of this selfie camera is HDR and panorama. It can also record video at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Coming to the battery, the phone has a non-removable battery which has a 4035 mAh battery. The phone also supports fast charging at 20 watts. The phone also charges 50% in 30 minutes. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you all in another video.